Say hello everybody. Say hello everybody. Why does it look like you're just staring at yourself? Hmm? Yes, yes, yes. You're staring at yourself? Yes, yes. Hi faves, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. It is only me. My baby girl is sleeping. Baby girl is sleeping and Tyler is taking a nap and baby's off to work. I am coming on, I guess by the title you guys will know what this video is about. Since my babies are napping, I decided that I am going to take this time to film the update about Sarah, how she's progressing and how she's doing. So much has been going on, so I'm just going to let you guys know the real of what is going down. So like I said, baby's off to work, Tyler's taking a nap, baby girl is taking a nap, and hopefully by the time I finish she will be awake so you guys can get to see her. Even if she's not awake, then I'll show you guys her. As you guys may or may not know, I just gave birth to I was about to say Tyler. Well, I guess it's Tyler because it's Tyler's twin. I just gave birth to Sarah 7 weeks ago, to be exact. Sarah is 7 weeks old, which means I am 7 weeks postpartum. So if you guys see me looking down, it's because I have some notes here in front of me, because I wanted to give you guys a lowdown of everything. I didn't want to miss anything, so I went ahead and make some little jottings. So I guess it's going to be really for a lot of the mamas, the new moms, or subscribers in general who just love to watch our channel and love the updates. So let me just jump straight into it. First, I'm going to tell you about Sarah update, and then I'll give you my update after. So Sarah was born at 7 pounds 7 ounces, and now she is 9 pounds 9 ounces. So she has gained some weight. The next thing is Sarah is solely breastfeeding. My camera is shaking, let me fix that. Sarah is solely breastfeeding. She haven't gotten any formula since she was born. She's been breastfeeding only, so she's becoming a little fatty, and she loves her food. She doesn't play with her food. Where breastfeeding is concerned, she is doing good and at the same time not so good. I think she latched fine from the beginning, but it's like every time Sarah is feeding, 5 minutes on the breast, she falls asleep. It doesn't really matter how I play with her fingers, play with her foot bottom, give her a little tickle, blow in her face. It doesn't really matter what I do. 5 minutes, I guarantee you Sarah will fall asleep. So because of that, and I can't keep her awake, she would want the breast like every hour, which is not good because it gives her colic. It gives her colic, it makes her gripe. So she's actually griping at the moment, which I give her natural organic gripe water to help with that, and that is helping. That is the only release. And I massage her stomach a little bit to kind of help her when I don't want to give her the gripe water. And I don't give her the gripe water every day, which tells me that it is not bad in comparison to my experience with Tyler, because with Tyler he has severe colic, so Tyler had to get gripe water straight around the clock when I had him. So breastfeeding with Sarah, like I said, she was breastfeeding every 5 minutes and then just fall asleep. But I produce so much breast milk in my both breasts. They're huge all the time, and Sarah gets so much from it. Sometimes I have to pause her because she will choke, or you'll just see it running down her face. She's getting a lot of milk. Next thing about breastfeeding for me is that she moved from 5 minutes and she would give me at 10 minutes, but then she would still like want the breast after. So I started pumping. I would pump like 1 time in the morning, and that would give me a full day bottle feed. So I would bottle them out in 60 ml, and she would have those for the day. And then I'll pump 1 more time in the night before I go to bed, and that would give me her night feed. So I would just pump 2 times for the day and night. But at her her 6-week doctor's appointment. I was telling her pediatrician that that's what I'm going through, and he was saying no, don't give her the bottle. It's because the bottle is easy and she's getting it easy, why she's satisfied with the bottle and she don't want to suck. But at the end of the day, he said that it was my choice, whatever it is that I want to do, whether I want to give her the bottle or I want to continue pumping or I want to put her back on the breast. So after that appointment, I got home and I decided that, all right, girl, let us try and do this one more time. Like, stop, give her the bottle and put her on the breast. And it's been 3 days since that appointment, and she's been going without the bottle night and day, and she's sucking. But why I don't worry so much when she only gives me 10 minutes is because when she give me that 10 minutes now, she will go 2 hours, sometimes 2.5 hours until she feeds again. So that tells me that she is full the correct way that she's supposed to, because I'm producing so much breast milk that she can't finish one breast and go on the next one. Because my pediatrician was saying that, her pediatrician was saying that I'm to let her suck 15 minutes on one breast and 15 minutes on the other one. But she's getting so much, like when I pump from one breast, I'm getting one bottle full, and from another breast I'm getting another bottle full. And I think how many ounces in those bottles? I think it's 6 ounces in those bottles, so are more. So I'm getting a lot of milk from each breast. So when she sucked the 10 minutes and stop, I don't force her, because she's still giving me that 2 hours, 2.5 hours before she want to feed again. And she also sometime in the night will even give me 4 hours. She will suck and give me 4 hours of sleep before she wake up again. So she doesn't have a pattern as yet in terms of sleeping and feeding hour. She's just giving me like the 2 hour, 2.5 hour mark. So right now she's kind of trying to find her niche to see where exactly she belongs. But we are working together and it's working out. She's just loving the titty milk. So that's that for breastfeeding for me. We're struggling with it, but we're getting better with each day. All right, the next thing with Sarah is that she is holding on to things now. When I put her little shaker in her hand, she'll hold it for a good while before she let it go. And I put her on her mat and she will try hit off the things with her hand and stuff like that. So she's really a strong girl. She also can turn her head, like if you put her on her stomach, she can turn her head on this way and look at her brother on this side, and turn and look at me on this side, and she can hold up her head strong and just look at you. She can do everything with her neck. She's such a strong girl. So she's doing well with her tummy time and stuff like that. And Sarah, all she does these days is laugh. She laughs non-stop, especially when she sees me, her brother, or her papa. She just gives us the biggest, brightest smile. She even giggles. She could do like ha 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 ha. She's the sweetest. I think she will laugh just as much as how Tyler used to. I'll never stop comparing her with Ty, because they're like chop off each other. They're like twins, literally, just born in different years. That's it for Sarah. She is 7 weeks, 1.5 months, going on 2 months. So this is basically her 1 to 2 month update. So she's just putting on weight. She's holding on to things. She has a strong head and neck control. She can turn it whenever she wants. If you call her around here, she turn it and look at you and smile. She's smiling a lot. She's feeding well. The only problem she's having now is griping. And of course, you know that when she reach, you may or may not know that when she reach 3 months, then the griping will just disappear by itself. So I am looking forward to that 3 months, because I hate hear when she cries out. But we have our little method that we use to take care of that. So that's that for Sarah's update. She's doing really well and getting really big. Now for moi. I am not having as much as a lot of women that I've read and seen have. Like, I am not having any shedding. I am not having any depression, which praise God. I am not emotional either, so that is good. That is really good, which I was a bit emotional with Thai, but not the depression. I've never experienced a depression, I guess, because I try to keep my mind in a space where I try to keep a little bit busy. I try to listen to music, even though it's still not too late for it to hit me, and I get to understand that sometimes when it comes you really don't have much control over it, but thank God I haven't experienced that. So like I told you guys in a previous vlog where I went to my first doctor's appointment, my gynecologist had, my OBG had cleared me to work out, for sexual intercourse, to do just about anything under the sun, because I have healed properly and I am doing well. However, what I didn't mention, what I had forget to mention, is that where workout is concerned, he had refer me back to my midwife that I should not do any intense workout until I see her, because I had some appointments with her, so I couldn't do any workout until I see her. So I have gone and seen my midwife, and I was told that I cannot do any form of running right now or no time soon, and I cannot do no form of lifting right now or no time soon, because I have something that is called Diastasis Recti, which is the abs in your stomach is separated, and this normally happens to women that have more than one kids. I don't know if I had experienced that with Thai, because I didn't have such one-on-one personal care per se with my OBG and my doctor back then. And now come to think of it, I think I might, because up to 6 months trying to work out with Tyler, I couldn't work out with Tyler until a year later, so it might be that I was experiencing. But with Sarah now, I was told that I have it. My abs is separated about this long, which it shouldn't, but having a second child, it is completely normal. And the risk of this is that if I work out, I can make it worse. I was told by my midwife that my womb can just literally falls out of my body, like completely, with other things can just fall out. And girl, you don't want that to happen. But to make a long story short, you can go ahead and Google Diastasis Recti and you can read up and see exactly what it is. But it's something very serious that you should not take lightly as a woman that just gave birth. So all the women out there that is worried about other women that gave birth and still have weight on, you might just, and still have a pouchy stomach, you might never know what they're experiencing. And that just show you that you must not judge because you don't know what others are going through. So don't worry about snapback. Snapback will always come, and this mama ain't worry about that right now. I am worried about I am taking care of my health, and I am seeing I'm going to like a therapy session with my midwife where I have to go to 10 sessions where I do small exercises with her to try and get back my abs in the right place and to get them back tight, so that way she can clear me to eventually start workout light. But as of now and into the next 2 months, 3 months, I will not be able to run. I will not be able to do any form of intense nothing. I get some little workout from her. I wouldn't say workout, some little exercise from her that I have to do at home on my part to also help to get my abs back together. So right now that's where my focus is, where that is concerned. So you guys will not be seeing me working out anytime soon like I used to before I had Sarah, even while I was pregnant with Sarah, because that's what your girl is experiencing. But that's okay, no worries. I am good with that. I am good, and I'll get back to my workout ways. So because I am not being able to work out, I am making sure that I'm eating properly. Well, since my cousin left, since Marian is gone, I take back full control of my eating. I enjoyed her cooking while she was here, and I tried to not bask in it too much, but I did eat. But now that she's gone, I have full control back of my kitchen and of what I eat and what I cook and how I cook it and stuff like that. So right now it's just my eating that is taking care of my pregnancy weight shedding, which I am not even worried about, because that's a lifestyle for me to eat that way. It's not because I want to lose weight really, but I enjoy eating healthy, as babe called me a rabbit. Next thing is that my stomach is also going down. I'm gonna show you guys that and show you what I have been doing since I have Sarah. Since I can't work out, I'll show you how my stomach look now since 7 weeks and what I've been using to make my stomach look this way. So here we go. I bought this waist belt that I have been wearing, and it's been really working for me. My stomach has been really going down. At the beginning, after I got home from the hospital, I didn't wear it at the hospital, so I didn't wear it for 3 to 4 days, because I was in the hospital for 3 days, and then I didn't start wearing it until I got home. And when I got home, I kind of eased myself into it. I was wearing it for like a few hours until I've been wearing it now all day. Now when I don't have it on, I feel unbalanced. I feel like I'm gonna fall, and it's also helped my back. It's like a back brace really to carry Sarah in my hand each day, and when I'm on the road and stuff, it really helps. So if you guys want to use this belt, it's a good recommendation. My belt is 3 pieces. This is the back brace piece to it. It's very stretchy. This is the stomach section. So this is what it looks like. One long piece, and it comes with this that you can snatch to make you tighter as you go along. So this is the stomach section, and this one is the lower stomach section. This is the smallest piece, and it also comes with the 2 snatch. So I'm going to show you guys what my stomach looks like right now, and then I'm going to show you guys how I wear this in the days. Bear in mind though that I just ate, and I just take this off before I eat, because I don't normally like to eat and then sit down with the belt on, especially when I'm super full. So I had just take this off just before I film. So here goes what my stomach looks like right now. So this is what 7 weeks post looks like since having Sarah. No workout. This is from the front, and this is from the side. And of course, because I tell you that I have separation of abs, my stomach stay bugged, but I think I look pretty awesome for just 7 weeks post. So this is what my stomach look like 7 weeks post. This is from the side, this is from the front, and this is from the other side. So yeah, that's what my stomach looks like at the moment, and I'm gonna show you guys how I wear my belt in the days. This is the first thing I do when I wake up in the morning is to put on my belt. So first I put on the small piece at the bottom, and because I wear my belt so often, I have to adjust it because I've lost it. My stomach have shrunk a bit, so I like to open the back pieces and I just put this as low as I can, and then I snatch it here like that, and then I adjust this to how tight I want it. So that's the bottom piece. So that's at the bottom of the stomach, and then I add the stomach piece to it, which is this big piece here. And the same thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna unlock these, and then I'm gonna put it on and adjust it to how I want it. And then I'm going to make it tighter with these pieces. And this belt is so good, it just grips you so right. I wear this under my clothes everywhere you see me. I have this on underneath my clothes because it works. Like I said, when I don't have it on, I feel weird. And this is the back brace. So this is what it looks like when you fully have it on, and it's very comfortable. And I pull my clothes down, and voila. So there it goes. That's me. So that's my little update. Hopefully you guys enjoy this video. Comment down below, subscribe if you are new, catch up and keep up, and let me know what are some things that I can do to fix some of the things that I tell you about, or what I've mentioned that you've tried that help you. Hopefully you guys enjoy this video. Give it a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you are new, catch up and keep up with the fam, and of course we'll see you guys in the next vlog, all 4 of us. Bye guys. Hi. Hi, Mama. And look who is awake. Say hi. Hi, Mama. Hi, Princess. Say hello. Say hi. Give them a big smile. Hello. Hi. Hi, Sarah girl. Look who is awake. I promised you guys that I would show you her. So she's awake now since I ended the video, so I'm showing you guys my princess. Say hello. Hi. 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 Mwah. 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 Say hi. Say hi. Say cuckoo. Say hello. Say hello. Say hi. Hello. Say hello. Who is that? Sarah? Sarah? That's Sarah? Hi. Brown eye girl. Brown eye girl. That's you? That's you? That's you? Hi. Hi, say hi to the face. Say hello everybody. Say hello everybody. Why does it look like you're just staring at yourself? Hmm? Yes, yes, yes. You're staring at yourself? Yes, yes, yes. You're staring at yourself? Ever since I did my hair like this, she's just looking at me. Who is this new girl? New girl on the block? New girl on the block? New girl on the block? Yes. Yes. New girl on the block. Who is this new? Who is this new? Is Mama? Or is Sarah? Is Mama? Is Mama? It's Mama. Is Mama? Is Mama? Is Mama? Yes. Mama? Mama? She's just fascinated by looking at herself in this camera. You're just looking at yourself in the camera, huh? Yes? Oh, yes, I know. You just wake up. You just wake up. Sweet girl. I'll kiss you all day. Kissy, kissy. Kissy, kissy. Kissy, kiss your mama. Kissy, kiss your mama. Kissy, kiss your mama. Oh. 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 Tell them bye-bye. Say bye, guys. Bye, guys. Bye, babe.